Hey everyone, we're here today for an episode of You Make It, We Skate It, the epic series in which you create awesome skateboarding inventions. Weird skateboards, weird trucks, weird wheels, weird whatever you want. You make it for us, and then we, meaning Ricky and the rest of the team, skate it.
Look at this. If you think this is a good new 3-block location, let us know.
Well, you got something we can open this with, brother? Nah, hoop it.
Will it break?
Yeah.
Oh! Nothing but net.
Yes! Oh, there we go. Let's see what we got in. Oh, you know what? I missed notes. This is the first actual note we've gone in a while. You can take a sneak peek. Don't pull it out yet.
Did you ever pass notes in class?
Yeah.
Class, yeah.
I never passed one note my whole life. Why? I was scared.
What is up, Braille team? I have custom designed and I got it open already, brother. It took a little too long.
You're too strong.
I have custom designed and printed these wheels for you. They're painted blue so you know which side faces outward. The small wheels are the rear wheels, and those officially will be your smallest with real bearings at 26 millimeters. I feel like you're gonna—
I thought Real is a board company.
Force me. The big wheels are your front ones at 60 millimeters and are angled to lock into rails at extreme angles. Let's see that 100-degree grind, LOL. I'll be watching your video if you make one for these, and if you do make one, please give me a bunch of ideas and I'll send out some more with your feedback in mind. I don't miss your videos and love the current team. No, I don't. Like, he doesn't ever miss the upload.
I thought it meant something else.
When times get rough, I find joy in watching your videos. Much love and keep on skating, from Ricky Fitz. Is this from you?
Yeah. Hey,
thank you, Rick.
Beautiful name. Keep making it proud. Thank you.
Shout out, Ricky. We were glad that our videos can bring you some joy, and we hope that we send these off properly today.
Even listening to the letter, I do not understand.
All right, let's see what we're working with here.
All right. Behind your ear. Oh,
magic.
All right, we got a Beyblade.
All right, let's see here.
I don't know if we could grind on
these. All right, so this is the outside. You heard the note, Ooze?
Yeah, they said
they're meant to grind rails at extreme angles.
Wait till he printed this.
3D printed, yeah.
Oh!
But this is gonna be low to the ground.
Hey, Glow, what bearings are these?
I got dibs.
Come with
The
me.
black and the Swiss ones are black.
Let's say you're just grinding a rail normally, right? You're locked into a grind, and the wheel should be like this. I don't get what he's saying.
What's going on? That's like a lowrider.
But look, this is gonna pop out. You're not gonna be able to lock on a 50.
I've done it. Bearings only 50-50.
Slam it down.
I don't get it. Right. All right.
I don't really. What did he say? That 100 degrees or something?
100. I get it. No, I get it. I fully get it. Look. Okay, look at this. Come to my studio. Okay, this is an. Ow, something's in my eye. Just look for 1 second. Okay, look at the wheel right here. It's basically 90 degrees, right? So if you're locking into things, it's gonna be much easier to lock into something that is at a right angle, sharp edge, right? The difference between a regular wheel and these wheels is, look at the lock now. Do you see how there's all that angle of space right there?
Isn't it just not a lock though? Oh, look.
It's made for like, you could grind, what he means is you can grind like this.
No, but look, to do that, you'd have to put this here, and then you could grind like this.
Maybe that's what he wants. Like this. Yeah.
Why are you laughing? This is science, Mo.
Hey, you're right. Uzi's right. And then that's why this one is small. So yeah, this is 100%.
Okay. Hey, that's what happens. You just got to put it to the test. You figure it out. All right, fellas. We are ready to begin our tests.
Yeah.
Uzi, you are the master of physics.
Honestly,
I feel like they're breaking.
Hey,
You got to put on the other one.
but I
What do you
think,
mean?
honestly,
This got to go on here.
He said specifically these were made to be the front truck.
He doesn't know what he's talking
wait,
about.
really?
Yeah, it says
He
on the
said
note.
this?
Yeah. Read the note.
He did, but
What the
I feel maybe low impact. Well, low
Let me
impact.
get a California kickflip.
They're breaking if you kick flip.
They ain't breaking, bro. I'm light on the toes, bro. Brother Glow. Brother, let me tell you something.
No, you didn't. Oh. Bro.
They didn't break?
Oh, you crushed them. Brother. I told you.
Brother, what should we do?
We gotta grind. They're feeble. 100-degree grinds.
I'm not grinding this, bro. It's slippery.
All right, Mowgli. What is your test here? What's the task at hand?
from feeble.
Okay. Whoa.
love you, dude.
Okay. I love you too. Everyone, I love Glow. Look at that. He's strong soul.
Okay.
I love, that's mean,
I
bro.
was thinking about like when you said be careful on the front people, and I was thinking front people be careful.
Hey, be strong, King.
Hey, be
You'll
strong,
find the right
King,
one.
right here.
The I love you and front people collided, and I was like, okay, front people, I love you. You said to do it. I'll do front people.
Whoa, you're skating this the wrong way.
I want to know. Okay, since I front people the truck like that.
I'm telling you, if you front feeble the way that you were supposed to be riding it, you would have landed that.
No way.
Yeah.
Front people like this.
Yeah.
It's not gonna lock into. Look at that. Look.
You got it.
It's not gonna lock in.
You got it.
This way though, lock in.
All right, fine. You offer good points. I'll give that to you.
All right, I'll do it your way, so you can get your example.
If you fall, I'll take full credit for it. All right.
All right, let me do it this way. Yeah.
What is that?
I did it your way.
You need damage report. What happened? Are they okay?
I listened to Gabe.
What the heck?
That was Gabe's doing. He said do it that way.
Okay, I told you to skate it the opposite way. Just put a ledge up on the side.
Front feeble is the closest you'll get to 100 degrees.
You should take that skinny ledge right there for the bump from the hip and then put it on its side and then grind it like that.
On its side?
Yeah.
What does
like
that
prop it up against the wall.
Look, that's 100 degrees. Because it's tilted.
All right, fine. Skate it the other way then.
Put this wheel here. Then you put it like this. Ride on here, and you just live life like that. Isn't that what we're trying to achieve?
You can skate it the other way if you want. I was just messing with you.
For 3D wheels, these are actually not that bad.
I know, right?
Probably saves a lot of money.
They're hanging in there.
I thought of the soap shoot, like how they said don't do that, and I.
What do you pick a trick?
I'm trying to think of how to.
Just do the front people the first way. Oh, that is a good idea. Oh!
That wheelie went.
Just wheelie everything in the skate park, Mo. Damage report.
Yeah, it's not with the wheelie. It's not that bad. It's the durability is good. How much would you say these would run?
These how
if
much
there was
would
a
they
price?
be?
Yeah, how much?
Probably like $100. They're 3D printed, bro. Time and materials need to go into that.
Some 3D printed items don't take that long. Oh, I want to know what's the difference between actual like your thing wheels and this? Like, what's the time difference? I keep looking at that. Reminds me of Batman.
It's gonna be with you tonight.
Oh my gosh, I'll sit for.
Why you try to kill us, bro? Those are the deadliest wheels. Oh my God, I ain't never been scared to try
Someone
back.
give this man a grind!
Alright, ready?
Uzi, hit a crook. You got crook.
Whoa, wait. I learned this move from that guy. You know?
Guntar.
I like this thing. I'm gonna try to make this corner right here. Perfection. Drifting is hard. Shouts out Hoonigan. This is our Hoonigan skateboard. Should I try backside maybe? Dang, look at the rubbers burning off.
Wait. Let me get a shot of that. Let me stay here.
We split it at the
Oh, dude, the full bearing.
Oh yeah.
Look. Wow.
I'm gonna try to do the whole course. I'm gonna come down the Daytona ramp.
Yeah, careful on the rail, brother. Just send it. It's all good.
All right.
Oh! Yo!
kind of sick. I want to try that again. See that drift?
Yeah, that was controlled chaos right there. All right, come on.
I gotta try that one. I gotta try that one.
Oh! Hey, dude, no, dude. Roll in here and try to make the turn that way.
Hey, Glow, look out.
You're gonna die, brother.
I want to get this HD view.
Wow! Hey, why'd you say you were fine and then you ran away?
Sound like that.
Why'd you say you were fine and then you ran away?
You see me on video?
Yes, I saw you on video. I saw you on video. I see you, Rick, and you're just like, fine, if it happens, it happens. Oh! I want to see Mowgli try.
Oh, let me see. Tokyo Drift out here.
Yo! Wow! I've never done a wheelie grind in my life, but I will say from watching that, it looked like you were more locked in than you would ever be on a regular truck.
I agree. Right
Really?
here, the groove.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually?
Look, well, look at this. There's no marks over here. Look at this side. All the marks from the wheelie grind.
All right.
We're ending this video with Merlin twist. That's how we're ending it.
Twist? Can you just like ollie the 3-block or something?
That's easy. This is hard.
All right, well, okay. We've proven the wheels do help lock in a little bit more. Glow, I think now is the time you land your kickflip because I deprived you of that. And then Mowgli, you got Merlin.
You want to get kickflip?
Because I know you wanted to do that, but I took it away from you,
You
brother.
think it would be easier if I do it on the nose?
I think it's breaking no matter what.
I got the hydros on this. You know what I'm talking about, right? All right.
Dude, they're stronger than I thought.
That's called finesse flick right there. I was playing with you.
What the heck?
Elevated.
Dude, that was really good. Wow.
I've been practicing my
First
kick.
strike.
I'm just gonna give it one
You
go.
want to do it on the hip or?
I'm just gonna give it one go on flat. I'm sorry, everyone. I'm just really obsessed with Merlin twist as of recently. You know, whenever you're a kid and you do your first kickflip and you go to sleep and you're like, can I still do that trick? And you wake up and you're like, oh, I did sort of been thinking about it. All right, right here, one trick. We're just jumping down the 3. I mean, the quarter.
Rick, your package.
He just chipped my board.
Dang.
His pro model.
Dude, what a jerk.
His pro model chipped my board.
We're going over there. Can you make your prediction real quick, Mo? I wanna know.
I'm actually terrified that I'm gonna slip out.
Do you want to try the mini 3-block first? You just want to go straight for it?
This is how we gotta do it.
All right, brother. Hey, respect. If you have a prediction for what you think is going to happen, leave it in the comments below right now before Mowgli starts. We have a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now Mowgli's going to go. If it doesn't break going down the 3-block, they might be the strongest 3D printed wheels we've ever had.
Time for unboxing vid.
Kick his box, kick his box.
Time for unboxing.
Mowgli, can we try one thing?
Yes.
One final thing. Glow, you got me real quick?
Where you going?
Going,
I was kind of intrigued what he had in the box.
What's going on?
Can we just give it the test? 50-50.
Okay.
He wanted the, no, he asked for it. The You Make It, We Skate It is about people making us boards and us giving them a chance to see their creation in action. So here we are. He asked for an angular grind. We're gonna test it out.
This is what he wants?
I believe so. I don't know if this is what he means. What, did it feel any different?
Like a skate obstacle? It felt like this was gripping, like grabbing, you know, like you're on a cliff and you're just like, that's what it felt like. Honestly, I really like this. Now it's breaking, and if these were $100, I don't think the investment in $100 would be. Maybe if they were $10 and sold worldwide, we'd definitely appreciate that.
All right, everyone, a huge shout out to Ricky Fitz for making us these epic 3D printed skateboard wheels. We've never really skated anything like this. The cone shape is something we've never experimented with, and we love trying new things. So if you have any ideas for a skateboard, for wheels, for trucks, for obstacles, literally anything you can build and you make it, we will skate it. That is the whole point of this series. So if you have any ideas, go ahead and email us. skate@brailleskateboarding.com. The email is right here. I go through that email every week and I reply to you guys and hash it out if you have any ideas on how to make it work. So go ahead and email me and I will check your email and hopefully you can make us something and we'll skate it in a video. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave those comments below, and we'll see you in the next video.